Bromodichloromethane, Lewis structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1, bromine has 7 valence electron, and chlorine has 7. As we have 2 chlorine atom multiplied by 2. So if we add, then we are getting 26 valence electron. This 26 valence electron has 2 tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy octet and duet. Let me connect. For connecting 2 atoms together, you need to place 2 dots. So we have now others valence electron will be used to satisfy the octet. So we have used here 2, 4, 6, 8, right? Then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Okay, we have used all the valence electron. Now check for octet and duet. Octet, 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 duet. Okay, now check for octet of the central atom. Carbon is the central atom because it is least electronegative, plus it has the highest capacity of making bond. You have 4 bond loop, plus hydrogen is always considered outer atom. You can replace this bonding pair by a line. So this is another way of showing Lewis structure of bromodichloromethane.